Hi everyone, I'm just recording this video to clarify some of the things in relation to uploading your video file and positioning and placing your video into your PebblePad page if you have questions or difficulties around that. So what I'll do is that I'll just create a page here. This is what you need to do to begin creating your assignment 2 in PebblePad. So let's just create a page, and I'm not gonna go through everything here. The only thing I'm focusing in this is about adding a video, which is the interview video that you have. So supposedly you have used your phone or a tablet or another device to capture your interview and record your video, and now you have a file that you want to upload into PebblePad. Okay, so if you have a file, you just need to make sure that your file is MP4, and that's the standard format that is preferred by PebblePad for uploading. If your file is not in MP4, you can use a kind of a software or a tool, or use some online platforms like just Google how to convert to MP4, and you know, there might be some strategies online to convert your video file into MP4. But here I have one MP4 document ready, so I just go through choose file and choose this video, which is only 25 seconds, so obviously it's not long and it's already uploaded. It's just 266 kilobytes, but yeah, just be mindful that PebblePad doesn't accept very large files, and I think the maximum file size that you can upload here is 500 megabytes. So sometimes if your file is too large, you might have difficulty uploading it here. I'll shortly let you know what you can do in case your file is too large and you can't directly upload it here. But if your file is uploaded like this, then you can just go through this section and click on confirm upload. Once you do that, it takes a while, probably depending on the size of your video, to be processed and appear here. Just make sure that you see it, so don't leave this page until everything is sorted and you can see your video appearing here. The other way you can actually upload your video, if you have a very large file, or if you prefer that, just you can upload your video into YouTube. That is easy, I'm not going through that here. So just upload your video to YouTube, and when your video is uploaded, what you can do is that you can actually embed that YouTube video into PebblePad. Okay, I'll just let you know what you need to do. So go to your video in YouTube. First of all, make sure that this video is open to be seen by others and is not in private mode. So go to the setting of the video and manage that. But once your video is here, just click on share and copy this link that you have here. Alright, so just press copy and it will copy into your clipboard. And then come here in PebblePad, click on add content. Now this time, instead of video, you need to click on embed. Once you click on embed, you just need to scroll down and you will see this new section that has appeared here. Then you need to paste that YouTube link in here and click OK. Voila, there you go. Here is your YouTube video embedded in here, and now we can watch it here. So everyone has the option of either uploading your direct file or using YouTube embed option. Just be careful that we need to see your video in the page that you submit. If you only leave a YouTube link, and so that means that we need to open a YouTube video separate to this page, we might not accept your video and you might get a 0 for that part. So your video need to actually appear like one of these two options in your PebblePad page. Always remember to save your work, okay? And obviously this is the first time I'm doing it, so it's just asking me to name this. Yeah, and then once you've uploaded your interview file, obviously you need to add a text section, and here you start adding your summary of the interview, and then the personal learning reflection, and the final part, which is a table for smart planning. And Obviously here in PebblePad you might have difficulties to create a table. What I did in the sample was that I actually opened a Word document or an Excel sheet and created my table over there, and then did a screenshot of that once my table was ready, and the screenshot was in a JPG format, and then I uploaded it here as an image. So upload that JPG file that you have of your table, of your smart planning table at the end, through this kind of a procedure. All right, all the best everyone.